this wonderful program that we keep having and interact with some very nice human beings and doctors every week. Today we have with us Dr. Ashok Belkhode, who is an MBBS and MS from Government Medical College, Aurangabad. He is a surgeon himself, and despite being a surgeon, he's into a lot of social activities. He's placed into a region which has about 100% people are rural population, and it's a border area between Maharashtra and Telangana. He's serving there for last 2.5 decades, and he's also somebody whom we would love to hear. He's been an associate of late Baba Amte ji, a great social worker, and a part of a beautiful mission that Baba Amte took, called as Bharat Jodo Abhiyan or Knit India movement, which was a cycle rally where Dr. Ashok was a part of it, and he rode on a cycle from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. So we would have wonderful experiences that will be shared by him. I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. Ashok Belkhode for this program.
Namaskar.
And just to mention to my viewers, he is a very, very close friend of my father.
And you are also.
And of course, me also. We have some lovely interactions together. And, he is been a motivation for me ever since I was a child. So it is a happy moment for me to interact with him and bring out his work in front of all of you. So, Dr.
Yes.
Ashok, could you just tell us about, your time in medical college? How did it all start? Did you really wanted to be a doctor all the time? And what was the inspiration behind?
First of all, I will say I am thankful to you personally. You inspire me to talk with your friends, that's to medical students and all of us. My English is little bit not so good. Try to understand because my primary school was in Marathi medium, high school was in Marathi medium, and then for BSc at that time, first year, from that level, I am learning in English medium. Altogether in medical college, there is no Vyakaran or good English for the medical terminology. And again, I am in tribal area. So it's a combination of Marathi, Hindi and English. We will say Marathi and English. That is the Manglish. So try to understand and let's bear me. Actually, my birthplace is nearby Nagpur. It is very close to Baba Amte's project. Before that, I will mention one thing. My family is really a good family where I am born. This place, my home, was visited by very renowned social worker, Gadge Baba. Everybody knows in Maharashtra, the Jhaduwala Baba, Gadge Baba. So I am a little bit Bhagyavan in that. But I was not born at that time. I born in 1959 and so cultural, so nice. But unfortunately, due to our all conditions, I couldn't come in touch with social work. But fortunately, when I was in medical college, there was a person or is a person, Dr. Shashikant Ahankari. He was, at that time, he was working with social movements, Ukrant in Maharashtra. And once upon a time, he wrote an appeal to medical students. Why doctors, they are not ready to go in the villages. And he appealed, this appeal display on the notice board. and there was near about 100 students for the first meeting. The aim of that meeting was trying to inspire or trying to instigate what we will call pinching the youth in medical colleges. And he appealed the student that there was no TT injection when we born. We don't know how our umbilical cord was cut. There are still more than lakhs people's or children's, they die with the diarrhea. Number of the children's get blinded due to vitamin A deficiency. And for such condition, what we should do, or doctor should they go to the villages or in a rural area or not, and what you are going to do. This was the appeal, and fortunately, number of the students were very positively responded for that appeal. And from this, one organization we have started, that is HELLO, HALO, Health and Auto Learning Organization. I was first participant or participant from the first day in this organization, and this organization was started with two aims. The first aim was for the society to create awareness about the health and health education in the society, and second, to create awareness in the doctors that they should use their talent, use their knowledge, use their all capacities for the more mostly needed people in the community. So I am proud of all my work that by which aims and objective Hello was started. I am the first product that is a working product, and I behave in my life with the same aims and objective. And so that is the first what you call instinct or inspiration for me to enter in the social work. And from that entry point, then I came with contact with Baba Amte. I was visiting my birthplace in Diwali in summer vacations, and first vacation only I met Baba, and Baba taught me very nicely. He given a list of the number of the persons from my village, and in Marathi, me Baba mai zhalo. Baba inspire me like anything, and from that day,
you became,
yeah.
you just became part of Baba's life, and Baba became part of your life.
Yeah. We will talk about the relations with the Baba again, but this was the instinct. And from really from second MBBS, I am in touch with social social activities, then participation in the NSS activities, and work of the Hello was like this only. We used to visit one village for a year, and we implement there all the health activities, right from the health education to immunization, OPD with some senior doctors, and allied social activities. And from that, then other social problems we learn. We come in contact with number of the good organization workings in the Maharashtra. We visited at that time Anandvan, Tapovan of Daji Sahib near Amaravati, Anna Hazare, then Vadu Budruk project, then Balagram Vikas Samstha of Anutai Wag. So the health is one part of life, and if we will think about the community, the number of the other problems they are entangled with the health, and this seed is what we call it. It was ready to born at that time only in student life, and then my journey was started. Whenever anybody asks me what we should do in the student life of medical college, I ask them, or I very proudly used to tell them, go to Mama's place anywhere in your family members or relatives. But along with this, you should visit the projects like Anandvan, Somnath, Prakash Amtej, Hemal Kasa, Abhay Bhava is there, Ravindra is there, Avi is there. In Maharashtra, there are so many projects where we can take the inspiration, and the same way like Ravi or your Papa, we are at the same age at that time, and we were discussing all the time, interacting. So from student life, it is always said that in student life, to whom we meet, to whom we discuss, who are our friends, where we visit, at the same line, or the same inspiration will work in your future. Your mental setup will be like that only, and that inspiration inspire me to participate in Bharat Jodo Cycle Rally, even in my examination days. At that time, I was exam going for the MS, and I was very confused where to go or not, Kanyakumari to Kashmir. But some good people, they encourage me. The examination of MS will be repeat after 6 months, every 6 months. But this examination will not manage all the times. And along with Baba, then so many things happens. When I was student, I learned well, I studied well. One should not blame the social worker. Social workers are active students that he is not interested in the study. He is like a dash dash dash. So I studied well. I was second rank in gynecologist in final MBBS. So I studied well. I passed MS General Surgery, and along with I develop or I instigate myself to work as a doctor with difference. What you call? Thank you.
Ashok Mama, you answered two of my questions at once, you know.
because it was in life, it was in student life. Yeah.
Yes. No, you know, one thing that I always wanted our students to have is this kind of an exposure.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
typically in medical colleges, we talk about study, study, study. You see your patients and study and do nothing else.
Yeah.
So you spoke of that very well. But at the same time, you also made it a point that, you know, you should not be leaving that part of it.
Yeah,
You should be studying as well as participating in everything else is very, very important, and that will
yeah.
make a whole lot of difference.
Yeah, the student, those who are active, they should be active in study also.
Absolutely.
Otherwise they will blame. अरे वो गए वाला है. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the next thing I think a very interesting thing is you said about Bharat Jodo. And we have heard about it. I mean, I have known it very well, but a lot of my viewers really do not know. They might have heard of Baba Amte, they might have heard of Bharat Jodo Abhiyan, but you were part and parcel of the whole thing. So what was it about, and what was the journey about? What did
In
you
short,
do?
yeah.
Yes,
Of course, in
because
short, yeah.
we can talk for ages together.
No, when I speak about Bharat Jodo, I can talk hours together because it was a very embarrassing, very inspiratory, very amazing. It was a very nice experience in the life. The students or participants from all over India. In first Bharat Jodo, it was near about 100, more than 100, and in second Bharat Jodo, it was near about 100. Very unfortunate for me, considering my experience and participation in first Bharat Jodo and my activeness in first Bharat Jodo. Baba devoted me one good post in Second Bharat Jodo. I was a coordinator of Second Bharat Jodo. Uh, this position is for my life. It was a very high position. There was my name after Baba, and so when Bharat Jodo word came or come in the discussion, I used to talk a lot of, but I will sum up in few words. In 85 or at that time from 80 to 90, that 10 years was very embarrassing for our nation. There was uh, so many moments in the India. In Gujarat, there was anti what you call a reservation movement was there, anti corruption movement was there. In South, there was anti-Hindi movement was there. In Mumbai, Uthao Lungi, Bajao Pungi. Nobody should enter in the Mumbai Marathi Mansachi like this. And again, there was a Gorkhaland problem. So all over India, there was what you called Todo Ki Bhasha. India.
Everybody was talking of breaking.
Breaking the India. And at the top, there was a Punjab movement, Khalistan movement. And during that, there was miscarriages of Indira Gandhi. So many things was that at that time. Leke rahenge Khalistan, nahi batya rahega Hindustan, like this. And at that time, a person like Baba Amte, I will call it very nationalist person. He was a freedom fighter, and then after he is a person after Buddha. He was very rich, but he left apart all the properties and all what you called all things to back to his life and enter in the social work or the work for the others. So Baba's life was like that, and he was Baba Amte, Murlidhar Devidas Amte. He could not keep mum when our Bharat Mata is at the verge of the division, and this is the first thing. Second thing was Baba was a very having so much faith on youth activities or youth power. He was very fond of youth, and so he appealed that now India is on the verge of break. The Punjab, Khalistan, Gorkhaland, South, and etc. So, if we have to keep this India united, we should come out. We should expose ourselves, and if we have to think about our nation, we should know our nation first thing, and for to know our nation, we should see our nation, and if we have to see our nation, we should comb our nation. This was the philosophy, and for this movement, he had given name Neat India. Neat is not the cut and paste, but it is a weaving, and it was Jodo Bharat, the Jodo Bharat movement, and it was started in 24th of December, 1985. 24th December is the day of birthday of Sane Guruji. Sane Guruji, he was a social reformer and what you call Guruji of Maharashtra. He was dreaming Antar Bharati. He was freedom fighter. He wrote number of the books on our nation, on so many languages in jail. Shamchi Ai in the jail. Bhartiya Sanskruti wrote in the jail. Then about Antar Bharati, and this Antar Bharati what you call idea is born in mind of Sane Guruji. Baba Amte was fond of Sane Guruji, and that's why this was the first day of Bharat Jodo Abhiyan. So the first Abhiyan was from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Baba Baba was the convener, main convener. Then Atul Sharma was our cyclist leader, and near about 100 boys and girls, 17 girls were there, and remaining all boys. We have started cycling from Kanyakumari and ended in Jammu, and from Jammu to Srinagar, again there was a bus travel. It was for near about 400, more than 400, 4,000 kilometer, and 4.5 months journey. This was first Bharat Jodo. I was just participant in Bharat Jodo. We used to wake up in the early morning. We have song, हम जवान आजाद वतन के आंधी से टकराएंगे, बंजर धरती के आंगन में कोमल फूल खिलाएंगे, like this, and inspired by Baba, Yadunaji Thatte. So many people were there, Buba Shah. From South, Sundareshan was there, from Madurai, from Delhi, Satyapalji, O.P. Shah from West Bengal. All together, all over India, the participants were there and coordinators were there. There are so many points to tell these youth people. If we will go in the detail, it will take at least 1 hour to say. But the one or two things I have to mention here. There were 3 young girls from Meghalaya and Mizoram. And after 15 days, they had talked with Baba, and they said that Baba, every person, Chandrasekhar, Mahatma Gandhi, and now you, Baba Amte, you are starting any Shanti Yatra, any Peace Foundation, or any Padayatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Are we not in India, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and that is Purvanchal? So it was their question, and it was very heart-touching question. Baba was a very sensible person, I think. I trust Baba was the most sensible person, Sanvedansheel, what we called. Baba says, if I remain alive, I will have a second Bharat Jodo march from east to west, and I will complete the cross of issue for Bharat Jodo, or the nation should be united. And then after 2 or 3 years, in 1989, again second yatra was started from Itanagar to Okha. It was for near about 5.5 months. Then more than 6,000 kilometer journey was there. Again, the youth from all states, we travel together, we live together, we understand together. We have seen this nation on bicycle, in villages, with the people, interact with the people, try to understand the problems of this nation, try to understand the culture of this nation. We have seen the longest 150 feet long bamboo in Assam, and in Rajasthan, what you called total dry area. We have seen West Bengal beach, again the west border of our nation. So the whole nation was, we have home, and my personal experience was, it was everybody's experience, but I think I was motivated with that, and I never thought that I am a surgeon, I am a good surgeon. If I will cut 2 inch, I will earn this one. I will, if I will cut more, I will get more money. So this, what you call thought, never touches me. And I and other people, so many other people from Bharat Jodo, they have decided to work for the nation. I never thought to go abroad to earn the money. That is my personal achievement. My IIT engineer is there, Sanjay Bhandari. He never turned to foreign. He is still working in the Konkan, and so many like this, so many youths, they are working all over India. This is the direct product of Bharat Jodo. After that, Baba went in Punjab, tried for the Pakistan Yatra. After in 1992, there was Bombay blast. At that time also, Baba went there. He had around, he lived there in Bombay. So altogether, these all work is of Bharat Jodo or Neat India movement. It is for the national integration and preservation of nature, Paryavaran Rakshan. Baba was very fond of all these activities of youth, and this is what you call in few words Bharat Jodo Yatra. So proudly I used to tell that don't see my now body language, my shape and belly and etc. I have seen my nation, this nation on bicycle in 1985 and 1989, and it was very embarrassing moment or embarrassing days. Whenever there is time to talk with Bharat Jodo, I used to went in that nostalgia. So I will stop here. But if some time permit, we will talk with the youths and we will show them so many pictures. We met actors, Swami Agnivesh, so many people, and it was very embarrassing, very touchy. The life is what is in life. It is due to Bharat Jodo Yatra also. Yes.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I am also nostalgic, and I'm
Yeah.
sure everybody who's listening to this will also
Yeah.
have the same feeling.
Yeah.
You know, they start living the
At this
experience
time
that you
also,
have had.
we are what you call experiencing Jodo Jodo Bharat Jodo. जात पात के बंधन तोड़ो, भारत जोड़ो भारत जोड़ो. कश्मीर हो या कन्याकुमारी, भारत माता एक हमारी. ओखा हो या गुवाहाटी, अपना देश अपनी माटी. So Bangalore, Kinwat हो या गुवाहाटी, अपना देश अपनी माटी.
Really, really beautiful message there.
Yeah.
I think, you know, it's so relevant in any day. You said 1985 to 1990s, there were problems.
Yeah.
It is
And
relevant
again,
any given day.
yeah. Problem is always there. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think,
yeah, just I will add that.
please.
Yeah. One youth or a group of the youth, we are very fortunate. We used to wake up early in the morning, and we used to listen to Baba in the morning. So once upon a time, one youth asked Baba, why you are doing like this? Bharat Jodo Yatra, this and that, these boys and girls, they are going to the Punjab, and there are so many things, so many experiences we have to share it. ये सब झमेला क्यों करते हो भारत को यूनाइट रखने के लिए. Yeah. So Baba answer very nice. If next generation will ask if our nation is not remain united and Punjab अलग हो गया, महाराष्ट्र अलग हो गया, South अलग हो गया, तो next generation will ask that what we have done to keep this nation united. So Baba said that I will answer them. I had a Neat India movement with youth with me, and I have tried my level best to keep this nation united. So it was very positive, and I will be in the list of saving the India and keeping the India united, not in the list of breaking the India. So it was very embarrassing for us also. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely experiences, Ashok Mama, and really, I remember the days in Anandvan that we have had. It's really something. All the memories of Baba Amte are there
Yeah.
right now,
Yeah.
and it's always inspiring to even remember him.
Yeah. Definitely.
I think one thing that I will probably switch you from the Jodo Bharat, which is something that you love talking about all the time,
Yeah.
to what you do now. You have been based in a place.
Yes.
You are a very good surgeon. I know that. Uh, and you could have chosen to stay anywhere, earn any amount of money that you wanted. Probably it was the message of Baba, and seeing India, the true India that you have seen in Jodo Bharat, that you started working in Kinwat.
Mhm.
Can you tell us? Can you tell our viewers
Yeah.
what is this area like,
Mm.
and what is the kind of work that you are involved in, and
Yeah.
what you have been doing for last 25 years over there?
Mm, yeah. The- Basically, this area is deprived of so many things. Deprived of what you call development, deprived of good lifestyle, deprived of money, deprived of all types of the development, and together will come to the deprived of health facilities, deprived of education. Education is very, very less here, less than 50%, what we called. This area is away from big cities. What we called the center place or district headquarter is 150 kilometers, 150. It's very amazing. In Maharashtra, there is no other Tehsil place uh, which is more than 150, more than 150 kilometer from district place. Our what you call regional capital Aurangabad is 400 kilometers, and state capital Mumbai is 800 kilometers, and these distance make all the differences in the life of the people, those who are residing over here. So the Baba always says that you should use your life for those who are not having anything. Uh, I was in search of the area where I should work. Actually, when I was in Bharat Jodo Yatra, sorry, I'm again probing the Bharat Jodo Yatra. But at that time, we have decided to work in Arunachal Pradesh because it is so backward. And fortunately, we formed a group to go there. But unfortunately, then Assam Dangal and Manipur, in that moment, my friend involved, and I then myself remain alone. Then I have started to think where to work. Though my birthplace is near Nagpur, my workplace is Marathwada, and in whole Marathwada, Kinwat was the place where the geographically the situation is like this. There was a little bit history. Once upon a time, one doctor he tried this area to work, and then he denied to work and he went back. Third thing, there was no surgeon in complete area, so I was the first surgeon to enter in Kinwat, and at present also I am alone. Some government officers they are coming and they are coming back. One surgeon just now came. I don't know for so many days he will stay here. But the situation is like this. Geographic, historical is the reason. And due to the non-development area, the health facilities also, there are so many limitations. I am very sorry to say there is a government hospital in this area, but there is no ECG facilities at present. I am very shameful for my state. for my district, my place. But the situation is like this. Primary health centers are there, government system is there, but we see everywhere the condition of the government. The second part is this area is a Naxalite prone area. Before I am coming here, it was badly what you call, it was defamed with Naxalite movement. So nobody was ready to entry, and the cumulative effect of all these things, all diseases, uh, uh, all health problems are there in this area. You ask me one, I will take so many things for that. For say anemia. So my we will come on the my working pattern. I am not working only for the goodness of the patient, but I am trying always to see that that problem should be on the government notification. Government should be try for that. In Marathi, ironiवर आणणे. Like this, I am
You
doing.
want to point things out for people
Yeah,
rather
yeah,
than
yeah.
just
So the
solving the health problems.
I was having one presentation. You have seen that the priorities are the diseases in this area. Uh, According to me, anemia is the most vulnerable and very widespreading, not spreading. The huge problem is there. I have studied on that. Uh, I used to take one subject for 1 or 2, 3 years, uh, doing survey, treatment, bringing some specialist for them, then trying to publish it, trying to solve the problem. So I have planned to do hemoglobin of all ages, even students of 5th, 6th, 7th, teachers, female teachers, old ladies, women from reproductive age group. In Marathi, there is one Koi Mai Ka Lal in Hindi. Koi Mai Ka Lal nikla nahi. So I was saying that Koi Mai Ki Lali 10 ke upar nahi nikli. So
Oh,
everybody's hemoglobin was less than 10. And it is very embarrassing. Now today in my hospital, one lady is admitted, hemoglobin is 5.2. The ANC of 8 months, 9 months with hemoglobin 7, hemoglobin 4. Last month, two ladies were there. She was having thyroid of the uterus and hemoglobin was 2.2. Another lady, she was having hemoglobin 3.3. So this is the scenario of if I will show you the picture, can we show this, that slide?
yes, you
Yeah,
can. You
yeah,
can show the slides.
yeah. काय बरं? सेवांकूर
Uh,
ट्रायबल. या
इथे शेअर स्क्रीन म्हणून आहे
हा,
खाली
या या
बटन.
मी तयारी करून ठेवली मी तशी.
हा,
1 मिनिट आता, एकच मिनिटात येतो मी. सेवांकूर, हा, हे पटकन. हा, येस, ओपनिंग इथे बस. मी आता ह्या डिटेलमध्ये जात नाही. हा इथला आदिवासी भाग आहे. शेअरिंग एक्सपिरियन्स इन ट्रायबल. काय होते? We can see this is Kinvat area, the tribal village. काय होते याला हे जोड नाही तर माऊस जोडता येईल का? नाही नाही नाही, वर जा. नाही, फॅसिलिटीज नको. एक मिनिट, मी काय करतो हे पटकन दाखवतो. this I'm showing you Kinvat in Maharashtra, where it is.
It is not yet open.
Yes, fully open. Just a minute. खाली धरायला काही हे देख होईल पटकन होईल आणि ते चांगलं होईल जरा कुठून दाखवतोय नाही हे याच्यावर नाही होत का हा झालं ना हे होते एक थांब हा हे दिस इज माय हॉस्पिटल yes what I am doing where I am working the beneficiaries are from 392 villages 3 lakh populations and it is from the 3 regions there Vidarbha, Marathwada and Telangana. It includes 45% tribals, Gond and other tribals. Banjara, that is nomadic tribe, is more than 40%, and other peoples.
Mama, just 1 second. I think your screen is not yet shared. What I'll do is I'll share the PPT on my screen. You can explain.
Yes. शेअर नाही झालं म्हणतोय
हो नाही झालं माझ्या ह्याच्यात आम्ही पण पाहतो
नाही का
Yeah, I will open it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think now it will be coming.
Yes. ठीक आहे मला पुढे जाता येईल का याच्यावर
मला सांगा मी करतो
बरं आपण पुढे जाऊ ना आता हे मागचं झालेलंच आहे
ओके
हे काय हा
येस वी हॅव Kinvat.
या यू कॅन एक्सप्लेन आलं का
मी दाखवतोय
हा जाऊ दे पुढे
हा
चालू दे पुढे हा याच्यात आपण आता वेळ घालवायला नको ह्या सर्व ऍक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत Kinvat कुठे आहे ते दाखवलं इथे
okay so as you can see on the screen this is the red spot which is at the border of Telangana and Maharashtra where Kinvat is located.
These are the various activities. This is our hospital, present hospital. These are the various activities in the hospital. Yashwantrao Chauhan Mukta Vidyapeeth, we are having patient assistant course like nursing, first aid training, yearly special campaign, work for the farmers in the disaster. Then we are having one mobile dispensary also, which we visit more than 50 villages in month, quarterly or weekly they are visiting. Next. Yes. What we have done, total number is OPD is near about 3 lakhs, and these are the operations. The number of the operation I have done in emergency and in family planning. I have operated near about 90,000 family planning operations. In hospital, specialists they are visiting. We used to treat more than 400 emergencies per year. Till now, more than 12,000 emergencies are there. Our basic is of the working is low profit, no loss. So we charge them very nominally because we have to run the hospital. That is contribution in family planning. You can go ahead. These are 2 ambulances. One is donated by Firudia Trust and other is from SBI. These are the first ambulances in Kinvat area. This Firodia Trust, the ambulance is cardiac ambulance. It was first in the district. We are using both the ambulances with only fuel charges. What I am doing now is important. There is sentence. Though I am a general surgeon, I have to work as a obstetrician and gynecologist. Fortunately, for post-graduation, I was registered first for the DGO. And I work for 3 months and learn basic things. The selection for the Caesar, MTPs, then family planning operations, the normal delivery. I am very firm. No new MBBS doctor diagnose the step of the deliveries at present. That is our educational fault. Our MBBS doctor can treat the diabetes and hypertension very, very well. Can't know the doses of diarrhea of the children of 1 year. They don't know the doses in milligram for the fever, typhoid, etc. But in this area, I have to do Caesar, I have to do hysterectomy. So I am obstetrician and gynecologist. We treat cardiac arrest. We have to do ECG. I use modern technology. For the first time, I was sending it with the broadband. Now WhatsApp is there, so I am using it. I used to send to cardiologists. They give me diagnosis. I settle them, and on next day I used to send. I am ortho surgeon. I have done so many close reduction. I am pediatrician. I am anesthetist. In starting days, there was no anesthetist. Then I went to district hospital. I request HOD Dr. Tondare. He taught me हातात हात धरून शिकवणे. I'm good spinal anesthetist, and till now, till today, I am giving spinal and doing emergency Caesar or emergency rupture appendix. So I am anesthetist, and altogether I am preventive medicine expert also. So I am multidisciplinary doctor, and the situation, the present situation, I developed like that.
It is not because you want it to be, but you know, it is the situation that made you a multi-specialty doctor.
Yeah, the condition made me, but fortunately, because of Arun Gadre's experience, I study well his Kinvatche Divas book. And I said, second thing, I was in Hello. So I was having the experience and the additional experience of the nation and living with the all unknown peoples and making them friends. I have prepared myself to for 2 years to come in the Kinvat. I used to go for orthopedic OPD, ENT OPD. One good surgeon is there in Aurangabad. He was my teacher, and then he was having his hospital. I went to them and I asked them that I will not practice here in Aurangabad, so there will be no rivalry. I will go to Kinvat for my whole life. So he was very anxious. Why you are going to that Naxalite area? And then I request him to teach me the surgery. I assisted him for the 2 years. He is good surgeon, Vijay Borgaonkar, and I made myself capable to work in the villages. If anybody will ask me to what should be the criteria of a doctor to go in the villages, I will say that he should be more expert, more mixing with the communities, the more capacity of understanding the people, patience, what we called. I'm not that of, I'm not having much patience, but it requires in the villages. And on the other hand, or in addition to that, you should know the basic things. I used to remove foreign bodies in nose, throat, ear. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, I have removed the button cell from nose, shengdana, peanut, etc. So people say, if we will go to Sane Guruji Rugnalaya, we will definitely solve the problem. So the doctors in the villages should be multidisciplinary. I think there should be a one postgraduate course, doctor in or PG in rural area, so that he will be able to face the problem. Talking with Jilla Parishad Sadasya, talking with the local leaders, managing the local leaders and treating the patient. These are all skills we have to develop it. So this slide is of more useful. Next, we are having blood storage center. So it will increase our confidence that if I will open the abdomen, I will save the patient. The one experience I will tell you. One day I have just completed one seizure, and there was a message from one private practitioner, BAMS. Sir, I will bring one patient. And it was 7 months premature delivery with placenta previa. So at that time, I called anesthetist. Anesthetist was there. I asked the patient's relative that if you will permit me, I will save the patient. I will open her abdomen and I will stop the bleeding. Baby will not be survive. And if you will move from this place, the patient will not survive more than half an hour. So they thought for 5 minutes and they said that you do it now. We have shifted the patient in OT. And at 4th minute, I have removed placenta with dead baby and bleeding was stopped. I thanked patient that you have given me a chance to save you. Then I asked my pathologist technician, I asked him to do hemoglobin, and at that time hemoglobin was 4.5. So it is God's gift, and her life was long. I definitely say thanks to that patient. And then I asked her husband and all patient to bring blood. At that time, as I was not having blood, and patient went home very well. So like this, so many things, difficult labor, and there are so many things to tell to new patients. So blood storage center increases our, this is first aid training. I always used to give to students, teachers from the villages. The students from villages, they are interested in study, but they are more interested in playing all the things. Tree climbing, going to river, swimming, etc. And if they will have the fracture, what teachers should do it. They should have they should take 2 scales, one from below and one from above, and they should wrap with their handkerchief like this. I used to give this first aid training. If there is fracture in the right hand, I used to give lesson like this. You open your buttons and just keep like this. So it will be a treatment for fracture in whole this upper extremity. So it is very continuous program, and some volunteers from program, we visited Killari earthquake, Bhuj earthquake also, and whenever there is disaster. So disaster management team also is with. This is a cancer training program. We trained Bachat Gat Mahila to self-examination of the breast for breast cancer and cervical cancer for more than 2 lakhs population. This is a young doctor, Dr. Patel, Anil Patel's son.
He was a part of our program.
Yes, he was. Yes. So this is a training program. Next. What about the future health facilities of this area. We are thinking on that line also. We are feliciting the young doctors, those who have taken admission to medical colleges, and fortunately we have started late this program, but the student from this area, they are coming back. At present, there are 2-3 students. They have completed their MD, they have completed their ortho, anesthesia, and they are working in Kinwati area. They are ready to work this area. This is the very good activities, Dhanvantari Pujan and felicitation of the new young doctors. Next. Any problem? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. This is our mobile unit. There was a drought in 2015-16, and I was working with NAM Foundation. Still, I am working. We have arranged so many camps, and it was very effective. Even giving the one eye drop or ear drop to senior citizen, he was very, he used to have very happy. Sahib, tumhi mala vachavla, they don't have money with them. There was no medicine in the government also. There was no transport. At that places, we have arranged more than 20-22 camps. And seeing this camp, our beloved Kachulia Kaka, he phoned me, Are Ashok, you are doing very good work. You want some vehicle, and then this vehicle was available. And this is our regular activity, visiting 4 villages, remote villages, where there is no road. Like these 50 remote villages, Guda, Pada, Pod, Tanda, one of our colleagues, this is Dr. Kare, he is BAMS, they are visiting daily. Yeah. हा काहीतरी झालं असेल आणि 40 मिनिटं झाली असेल. जमलं ना? नाही काही करू नका. हे कर बरं. नाही ती कोणाची? काय म्हणते? हा पार बरं बरं जाईल का मी बोलत राहिलो तर? बरं बरं मग मी माझ्याकडचं प्रेझेंटेशन चालू ठेवू का? हां हां आला वापस. हां चालू कर. हां चल पुढे. हे काय आलं? नाही याचं हॉस्पिटलचं चालू असेल. नाही तू दुसरंच दाखवलंय. खाली बस. नाही हे नको. These are our other activities. We will go to health again. आपल्याकडचं कर. सेवांपूरकर. This is our science center. These are the activities for the youth. There's our disaster management, flood in the Sangli, Solapur. Yeah, this is work for the women's strengthening self-help group. Yeah, go forward. Our education department, we have started one college. Hello, Apar. These are the hello.
हाँ बोला ना.
these are the activities with NAM Foundation related to the earth and health and other activities. We will go to the Sevankur health problems.
I think I have only this presentation
Yes,
of yours.
एक minute. Just I will start. Could I? Just a minute. We will pinpoint the. Just a minute. Yes, no. हाँ येस थांबत आहे पुढे जात नाही का कुठून जाते हाँ आलं 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 हाँ हाँ एक this is government recognized activity for family planning, abortion, TB center, dot center. In hospital, we should have it. It will be a benefit for the poor patients. That is one thing I should tell you. We are having very good efficient record system. Whenever there is a patient, we have to write down his. We prepare his case paper and we keep with us because the patient they are illiterate and they never bring their history sheet or even prescription also. So the all patients they are having record with us from right from the first day. So this is our very good system. These are our regular trainings are there: family planning, operation training, first aid training, training for a self-help group, PADA worker training, and the nursing assistant course, that is patient assistant for tribal girls. These are 10th and 12th what you call failed girls. We train them. My hospital, these are these girls are base of my hospital. We felicitate motherhood in the hospital. Delivery, each and every delivery, we used to give sadi chodi to them like this. The special privileges of our hospital, we charge from shared application. Please move this window. Hello, are you listening?
Yes, we are.
Yes. We charge the people as compared to city area less 30 to 50%. Our motto is low profit, no loss. No profit, no loss, so we can't run. Third is there is special, not special only, free of cost. We give our services for social workers, those who are working for the community, and for a very poor patient, possible contribution. If he is able to do, able to contribute 10 rupees, it's okay. So we are working like this. The views behind this, my working, that is our project should be replicable. Any surgeon can be able to work at taluka place. It should be self-sufficient and sustainable. That's why we are charging the people. It is a very the minimum charge. If we will not charge, we will be unable to run, or I have to ask for the more donations. And if we will charge more, they will not come to me like this. Our project should be able to help itself for day-to-day maintenance. And last is, but not the least, what we should do it. If I am very much expert in cardiac surgery, but there is no use in Kinvat. I should operate obstructed hernia. I should operate very difficult seizure. I should do so many things what I am doing. So there is what we can or we want to do and the requirement of the local area. So I am balancing the things, local areas requirement and what I can do. Other views are development through self-contribution, friends help, soft loans, and lastly is the donation. Third thing is that this hospital, you have seen that I am running all other activities in education, science, etc. So Sane Guruji Rugnalaya should not be only hospital, but you should be the center for the social change. And last but not the least, on the one way, all medical facilities are, there is invention daily, new inventions are there, but this area is till now deprived of all these facilities. So my question,
Hello. I guess Dr. Ashok Belkhode is having some issue with his video right now. Probably he would be joining. Just be patient. We have been listening to his wonderful views and amazing work that he has been doing in the area of health in a very tribal setup. Yes, he's back. Mama, you will have to unmute. Please unmute.
हा येस आणि हे चांगलं कर ना
हो दिसत आहे ना.
हा आला का आता
Yes, yes, we can see you.
हा येस येस हा आपण बोलूया थोडस स्लाइड बंद
चालेल,
कर.
चालेल.
हा बोल हा बोलतो.
So this has been a wonderful experience that we have had talking to you. There are some participants have some questions for you.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Bhavit, who is the leader of the whole group of students, he has a few questions for you. Bhavit?
Yeah.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Namaste. Sir,
Good evening.
very
Good
basic
evening.
question, and the session was very nice that I can think of it. One day will come and I'll somehow learn from your work and approach in my life of medical stream, sir.
Yeah, it's
So
nice.
my first question is to you: how you have managed the social work along with your doctrine work, as you were the only surgeon in your place, Kenwood. So that is my basic question, sir. So how you have managed these both the things?
See, what we called what we called social work. That is the first basic question. If a blind person, we met a blind person, our duty is to just crossing. We should help him to cross the road, not to walk with him. So we should limit ourselves to help in up to some extent. First thing. Second thing, social work should not be a the other part of the life. It should be a routine part of our day-to-day working. It should be a very easy going, calm and quietly. If I am hungry and if I am eating something and someone is hungry, we should share it. That is social work. And we doctors, we are very fortunate persons. We diagnose their what you call their illnesses. With our work is itself is a social work, because we are helping in their disaster. We are helping in their what you call when they are in the agony. We are reducing the agony. I think think we can't separate it, and that's why my work uh, is very easy. Yeah, whenever a patient comes to me, I ask him why,
You are doing,
what you are doing.
what is your earning sources, who are the members in the family. You
Please, please unmute yourself. We cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, now we can
Okay.
hear you. Yes.
Now, yeah. So when patient will come to us, doctor should give time to the patient. The difficulty is that we doctors are always busy. Do conversation with the patient. If you will talk with the patient, uh, he will give the diagnose the illnesses also to you. So I always think that we are very fortunate to have as a doctor, and doctor work is itself is a social work. Second thing is that what is social work is again definitions are very different. According to our gurus, Baba Amte, Yadunath ji, and all these things, they were saying that the preparing the community, those who will not need the social workers. So we should work for that. सोशल वर्कर की या सोशल वर्क की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़े. अभी हमें सोशल वर्क इसलिए करना पड़ता है कि somebody is lacking behind, somebody is the behind us, or somebody is not having so many things. So the doctory, our what you call our work as a surgeon, it's all together. And you visit our place, I will welcome you. It's my pleasure, and you can see it. I am working more than 18 hours. I am now of 60, but I am always alert. जब भी समय मिल जाता है सो जाता हूँ और काम करते रहता हूँ, बातें करते रहता हूँ और हमेशा खुश रहता हूँ.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Ritu
this message
Okay,
of
got
Ramesh,
it, got it.
yes, sir, yes, sir. This message of like
Yes, yes.
always alert, it will be there in my mind to be active always.
और जो भी करता हूँ बहुत दिल से करता हूँ. नहीं भाई इसको ट्रीट
is so
करना
true,
है
sir.
यानी करना है.
Yes.
और जो भी किया है वो सोच समझ के किया है, ठहरा के किया है. नहीं भाई किन्वर्ट जाना है तो जाना है. अरे नहीं भाई अभी MBBS करेंगे. भाई पूछता हूँ बच्चों को, अरे भाई किसने PhD करना है? साहब जो मिलेगा वो करेंगे. डोंट डू दैट. यू फिक्स फर्स्ट एंड देन देयर इज ऑलवेज a road to go there. Yes. Okay.
Sure, sir.
This is all philosophy.
No, there is so much to learn from that philosophy.
Okay. Are you getting me?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yes.
we are getting you. I think Ritu
Next
Shivani,
question.
another participant, is having a question. Ritu, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Namaste, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm
Good
Ritu
evening, madam.
Shivani from BNMIS fourth year student from Vadodara, Gujarat.
Oh, કેમ છે?
Maja, sir.
મજામાં છે.
Listening to you talking
Okay.
multilingually in different languages actually inspires us. At this age also, you're so cheerful and so inspirational, sir. Thank you so much for this lecture.
Thank you.
And I wanted to ask just a simple question. Actually, you answered everything in the lecture itself, but I wanted to learn how to make these poor people aware about our medical facilities and like what is actually wrong with their lives or what disease they have to explain them in a simple language. And second question would be, are there any chances we get to work with you?
Yeah, definitely. You come tomorrow only. Uh, answer for the second question, I am very fond of the talking with the youth. मुझे भी अभी बूढ़ा हुआ नहीं ऐसा लगता है जब आप लोगों से बात करता हूँ. Second thing is that when we work, there are so many steps. The people, they are really unaware about the health systems and so many diseases, and that's why in my pamphlet I have mentioned once all so many things I am doing. But patient, when they are coming too late, T-O-O, too late. So there should be a second step or a second line of social workers, the villages, where you used to go, where you should not go, where you should go, like this. There are so many experiences with me. There is PV bleeding, and they come to me. They used to ask, doctor in by Aheka, is there lady doctor? Then our compounder will say, no, there is no lady doctor, but our doctor is big doctor. No, we don't want big, we want lady doctor. And number of the people, they die in the on the road. The same place is two from this place. So we should have social workers, not social workers, the talkative persons or those who are affinity for the community. Social work degree लेने से कुछ ज़्यादा मतलब नहीं है. It should be from the deep ones of the heart. I should help him. 50% people the language, but there is no language to understand the agony, to understand the real problems. And Prakash Bhavi is working for so many years. He learned all the languages from tribals. So we should work. We should think plus globally, and we should work locally. So problem will solve like this. Yeah. So you
Very
are always
true, sir.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
Please do come. Yeah.
Sure.
We will definitely share the details of how do you reach Dr. Ashok very soon. There is another question for you, Ashok Mama, which is from Ruchita.
Yeah.
She's asking, okay, you have been working in rural setup for a real long time, and you spoke of what you could do for them. But what are the difficulties that you will face in working in such scenario? And how do you tackle them? What skills do you learn to tackle those situations?
Yeah. Yes, definitely. Can I go to my slideshow?
Yes,
I have narrated it.
Please go ahead.
Huh? Yes.
Yes.
Hey, Geber, Sevankur. Once upon a time, there was a conversation with in Sevankur camp, Amravati. So I have prepared that also. Difficulties we face.
Yes.
So it is in a chronology. Yeah. Hello, Apar?
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So there are always difficulties when we work more or when we work a situation like this. I came across the following difficulties and I overcome it. First difficulty is a lack of technical hands. It was very important. Then the people like me, those who are working in the periphery, the Abhay Bhau, Prakash Bhau, Avinash, Ravi, Dr. Ahankari, Dr. Sangram Patil, Dr. Shyam Astekar, and Dr. Shyam Astekar prepared a short course of patient assistant in Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University. So the girls from tribal area, those who have not passed 10th or 12th, we train them for 7 or 8 or 9 months. And now the whole nursing staff is from that training only. We have to prepare it. Now, till to date, I have trained more than 200 girls, and in everybody's hospital, there is nurse. Nurse is our trained staff. So like this, we have overcome it. We have to do it. Expectation of the patient and our limitation. This is most important difficulty. Once upon a time in Udgir, there was one doctor and he was not giving injection because he was thinking that he was like us, not to give unnecessarily injections. But people, they were not accepting it. Then he fed up, and then he went back to city and he established his practice in the city. So people, they were discussing that doctor, he was not knowing how to give injection. Now he has gone for to take the training how to give injection. So we can't discuss all the things with the patient. So many difficulties. Patients expectation. If there is a heart attack also, everybody wants patient should be all right. Doctor also want, but we should be down to earth. We should explain them. See, patient is very much serious. He will require this and this. I will try my level best. I used to say, I have not learned the cardiac arrest. I am I am doctor of operation. You ask any operation, I will do it. But in Marathi, मी याच्यामध्ये अडाणी आहे, मला काही समजत नाही. So they used to laugh. But if it will be all the times like this, and if we are honest, the problem is no more now. Why out learning is more, work more. This is why work more, no limitation, no specialty barrier. Just I have told you that successful is in all the things. You have to work more. नहीं डॉक्टर साहब बहुत काम करते. We always work more. We always try to save the patient. We used to give cardiac massage even after stoppage of the heart. So the people used to see what efforts doctor is taking. Third thing is that hospital place is also important. If you are alone, my policy is like that. I am alone surgeon. Abhi bhi akela hu. So any patient from any corner, they used to come to us. But to starting days, I have select the place nearby bus stand. So the patient from outside, we have saved some money for rickshaw or for any other conveyances. Electric supply is always breakup. 6-hour breakup, 12-hour backups. So it is more difficult to run the hospital in periphery area. Manpower problem is there. Honest manpower will not get you very easily. Treatment cost is also we have to face it. That's why we should think globally. From which family he is coming, how much should be the income, or so I am balancing it. The second thing is that a very simple antibiotics also will help the patient in rural area, because they are having very good body resistance. I am not using still 4th generation or 5th generation the antibiotic. I am very fond of Taxim, gentamicin, ampicillin, ampiclav. For the very serious patient, I used to do ceftriaxone, etc. So treatment cost is also important. Then people's unawareness, their custom, taboos, they will use so many things. In tribal, this type of the treatment is always there. But fortunately, these people, they are having their old medicine, herbal medicine, very effective medicine with them. Once upon a time, there was intestinal obstruction with me. I did accordingly and asked them if it will not reduce, we have to operate it. So the people, they said that, can we treat our medicine for this? And next morning, patient was all right. Till now, there are very good medicines with the tribes. They are not open. That is a very unfortunate thing. Their economic condition, their literacy, limitations of government health system. So these are all number of the difficulties. The list is will increase and increase. But there is one poet from Rabindranath Tagore. We always to say, Apar, you can translate it. देवा माझ्या आयुष्यात संकट येऊ देऊ नको असं मी म्हणणार नाही. ही संकट कमी करण्याची किंवा या संकटाचा सामना करण्याची ताकद मला दे. So whenever I used to talk with the medicos, I used to talk of this list. But when I used to deliver some inspiratory lecture with college boys, other boys and girls or students, I won't utter about the difficulties. I used to say difficulties are always difficulty. If you have cooked good food, but if you are not having, if you are not hungry, there is difficulty to eat it. So like this, difficulties will be there. Apar, you can translate it.
No, I think that's the key message that we should all carry home today.
Yeah.
You know, there is this English saying which says, you know, pain is inevitable. Whether you suffer from it, suffering is optional. So problems are always going to be there. But as many problems are there, those many solutions are also there. And our, you know, attitude should be for problem solving rather than having any, you know, talking about problems only.
Yeah. Apar,
Yes.
before asking question, I will take your 2-3 minutes to show a real health scenario of the Kinvat and surrounding. Just
Definitely.
2-3 slides. Yeah.
No, I think the questions are done, so you can speak.
These are the huge abdominal lumps. They are what you called what you call, they all are the sufferers. This is 1-3 kgs lump in the abdomen. This is old lady looking like a pregnant lady, and she was having a big lump. These are the chronic cases, huge abdominal lump. These are the chronic cases in this. This is endemic area for the hydrocele and filariasis. These all pictures, we have arranged so many camps for that, and now government has uplifted this program, filarial hydrocele. The people's their habit is to cover all these deformities. So त्याचा धोतर बघ त्यांनी गुडघ्यापर्यंत नेसलंय. You ask them like this. These are the injury, that is unskilled labor. Here Bullock horn injury. This is accident. This is a patient working with working in the farm with huller, and whole scalp was expelled out. The skin over penis and it was expelled. These are the chronic patients we didn't get in the medical colleges. This is tuberculosis, in neck tuberculosis patients. This is a simple lipoma. They don't know that they are having treatment also. This is a big incisional hernia. You can see the after operation, and this couple is very happy. You can see their faces. This is a very big hernia I operated. This is intestinal obstruction. This is very difficult labor. I want to appeal all young doctors. We should be expert, and still till today, the woman's health is a very neglected part. This delivery is having very different history. It was obstructed labor, and you can see her abdomen. The women around her, they were thinking there is a second baby in the abdomen. They push it with their legs and feet. It was not removed. They came to me. Then there was no voltage for X-ray. I was thinking it should be a hydrocephalus, and I removed by puncturing the occiput. So unless you are enough mature or enough what you call courageous, you can't do such. This is anemia. You can see the anemia. These are the chronic cases. This lady, you can see 52 years lady in a tribal lady, and he was covering it daily. When she met me, he was not came for the this lump. He came from the pain in abdomen. This patient is from Yavatmal district. Apar, I am still visiting Baba's second project at Mulgavan, where farmer suicide is more. And that I ask her, what is this? She says, it is nothing, it is nothing. Then I ask her to remove the thing. She removed clips and that phadka. And I ask her, why you have not removed? She asked, she was not knowing that there is operation to remove it. She said that it can be removed. In Marathi, Babaji, he काढता येते का? मी म्हणलं मी काढून देऊ का? And just I removed it at same time, and you can see the her face after doing it. These are the injury here. We have to treat. Now I am physician. I am aspirating the pleural effusion. These are the chronic patients, very difficult patients. These are the fractures. I am treating it. This is superstition. In first picture there is a lymph node and there is a kala dhaga. Then pain in abdomen, there is counter irritants, there is gandamala, etc. So our community is that particularly rural community. It is unaware about the things. On one hand, day by day, medical treatment is upgrading, but this community is remaining behind. So I am thinking to have multi-speciality and emergency hospital in the Kinwat. I should pull all the facilities for the Kinwat people, and I hope I will be successful in constructing the new hospital, emergency hospital. That is our future plans, and this is what media, it is Jeevan Denare Kendra, their life saving center, Sani Guruji Rugnalaya. It's this slide I am showing my family planning work. I have operated more than 400 cases in 24 hours, 2 times. More than 300 cases, 3 and 3, 6 times, more than 200 cases, more than 20 times, more than 100 cases, so many times. And like this, uh, I have saved so many women from the labor pains. I'm very happy. I could help more than 90,000 women from this. I could have been saved their pains by doing NSV, but very unfortunately, the male partner is always afraid of, and he's bania. He is not getting operated. So I'm thinking to stop family planning operation for those who have undergone the seizure. Their husband should get operated. So I'm asking government to make it compulsory. Yes. Okay, Apar.
This has been indeed a wonderful session with Ashok Mama.
Yeah.
Knowing your work and everything that you're talking about has been really an amazing experience for all of us.
Mhm.
And you not only spoke about the work, you rather also highlighted how it is important for us to enjoy what we do,
Yeah.
and do it with a smile on the face and with that jolly nature. And I'm sure a lot of the viewers will be benefited with what we have spoken today. And if there is a take home message from you
Yeah.
to the viewers, I would
Yeah.
like you to tell that.
Dear friends, because of short time, we will stop here. We are having so many slides, how difficult cases we are managing here. People, they are bringing what you call in sleeping position, आडवा आणला आणि उभा घरी नेला. Apar, you can translate it. Yeah. So
Yeah,
I'm very
they come lying
fortunate.
down and go back on their feet is what
Yeah.
they have been doing for such a long time.
Yes. We are doing so many emergencies, right from the incomplete abortion up to the obstructed hernia, difficult labor. And what is in our mind that cardiac emergencies are the big emergency or much more emergency. But on the grassroots level, the actual facts are very different. So it is in my list. Incomplete abortion is on the top, malaria is on the top, fever is on the top, eclampsia is on the top, prolapse of vaginal prolapse, still cases are there. I'm going to operate on the in this week also. I'm not a big person to give the message, but two, three things I can ask my friends to do it. Ask your inner voice to in which subject you are interested, whatever it may be. Rather it is gynec, surgery, medicine, ENT, dermatology, because unless and until you do it, you can't enjoy the work. First thing. Second thing, you decide what to do and where to do. It is also more important. Uh, do as much as you can do it. Much work in your post graduation, because that period we learn more. I have decided to work in the villages in my studenthood, and then in residency I used to do surgery without senior people, once with senior people and then with my junior people. So I became more trained. uh, Fourth and very important, I think, enjoy life. Enjoy life means you do what you want, but not what you call disturbing others. Uh, the, you can't disturb, you don't have that much freedom. But when you were listen your inner voice, you should enjoy. I enjoy here to talk with the patient. I enjoy here playing with the childrens. I enjoy here Sangeet. I enjoy here to listen the problems of the people, and that's why I'm on some government committees also for planning of the health in state, proportion in tribals, etc. So be a good doctor. There is always a space at the top. You all know good doctors with good ability, enjoy your work, help the people. Life is very wonderful. Enjoy it. When there is enjoyment, there is always positive for the life. And while enjoying, if there is on bad side, we call it habit. So don't be along with the habit or lesson. Be good person of this nation. Be good doctor. There is always necessity of the good doctor, and there is a lot of work in those who are needed in rural area. Work where you want, in city also, in metros also, not only in a rural area, where you are comfortable. Be honest with your profession. Be honest with your heart. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, Apar. Yeah. And last thing,
Amazing
yes,
session.
yes, last thing, you are always welcome to visit Kinwat. I will give invitation to come Kinwat. You live with us for 2 days, 3 days, then go back, and then again you come. You live here. You should not get bored. जब बोर हो जाएगा चले जाना, और अच्छा लगा तो हमेशा के लिए आ जाना. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
With that invitation, I think it is time for us to say goodbye. It was an amazing session with Ashok Mama. Knowing his work and a lot of motivation to all of us to do good wherever we are, in whatever we do, and make sure that we enjoy what we do. With that message, thank you so much for joining us today, and we will continue to meet another set of good doctors once again. See you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.